Is that 59 and a half? Oh, my beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God!
Those were pulling.
Why do I even show up here? We want like that because that's the only way.
And then yeah, that's
Right? Did you see how fast that was?
just a wax on.
This will happen really fast.
So how did that talk?
I don't want to touch my clean surfaces. I can't get around you, Taylor.
That's what I told you to do it as you go back.
I was going backwards.
Did you do the front first?
No, I started here and worked my way that way. Yes, I went there first.
Oh my
Dude, that's
God.
number 4. See if you miss out.
It worked. I tested it.
You plug it in.
I'm working on it.
And then go turn it on.
I will tear
You have to plug an extension cord into an extension cord?
Yep. Into another extension cord.
That's not smart.
There's 3 of them.
Well, that's not smart. Not that one. There you go. Yeah, the light's on right now.
That's crazy. Look how much light that is.
What do you want, more?
No, so I'm like,
Oh, that's good.
I'm like good. I'm like,
I was like, what else do you want me to do?
I know it's sarcastic. I was actually
I
like,
go get those
I was
LEDs.
actually like, it is lit up. I'm like, yeah, yeah, that's what they do. That'd be good, bro.
It's the new Jordans, you know? Nobody's got style like Tommy Pike style.
Got the new J's. Alright, where's the paint pro? Oh my god, I'm gonna get caught on stuff. The paint pro's still in there? Yeah, in the hardener.
So just make sure the little pointy part goes up, please. Okay, that's the little pointy part right there. Just a little bit of a little groove up there.
Little pointy part.
Don't be a jerk. Y'all are gonna stop.
I didn't know what you meant. I didn't know what you meant. I was looking.
Don't be disrespectful. I've complimented you on your car.
I was confirming.
I've been trying to be nice. I hate that stupid car, but I was trying to be nice. And this is the thanks I get. That's fine, boys. I'll go in there like that. That's nice and pretty there. That's nice and pretty there. This is.
But who's that for? Is that like on there?
Actually, I
I haven't got it all the way down.
Is that 59 and a half? Oh, my beautiful.
Yes, it is.
All right.
It don't matter because you ain't got it. Now measure it. Look, you got to push it up against here.
Right.
Pull down and push it up in here. Pull it back and I'm telling you, you got to measure it. Did you push down and back?
Yes.
I did.
All right, come on, let's do it again.
Kid, let's just put it on.
Oh my God!
Both were pulling.
Why do I even show up here?
We were both pulling and pushing.
You gotta turn these around. These go up in the thing and you gotta measure the distance of something. You measure the distance of something. Thing and jam it up in there. No! No, it measures here. It's like this distance between here and here.
Ooh.
Right here. Did you read the instructions? You gotta loosen that back up.
Well,
But you gotta cut that out.
no, it didn't.
Look on you.
Look! Oh my God! Hey, guys! Clearly not on there enough.
I cannot take this flatulence any longer.
Isn't that farty?
You didn't get the plastic cover off. You don't do anything.
Isn't there 40?
You just did it yourself. Oh, wait, just get a hammer. Just beat the whole bedliner up. Nobody's measuring.
Oh my God.
Are you quite done? It's gonna fall and I'm gonna be very upset. You make me this way.
I'm tightening down right now.
You think I just gave myself the nickname Bear Claw? I could kill coconuts with
Bears
these
don't
things.
have thumbs.
Huh?
The bears that we grew up, do they have thumbs?
What they have like this?
You said a pawn.
It'd be You obviously missed what I did. So if you can imagine the pectoral strength I have to be able to smash coconuts like